at the pharmacy.
Hi.
Hello, how can I help you?
I have a headache. Do you have pain relievers?
Yes, we have Tylenol and Advil.
Which one is gentler on the stomach?
Tylenol is usually better for that.
Great. I'll take Tylenol.
Do you need the regular or extra strength?
Regular is fine.
It's $8.49.
Okay.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Feel better soon.
Thank you.